Here are some interesting facts about 2000 kilowatts squirrel cage asynchronous high voltage electric motors. Hercules of Industry. 2000 kilowatts translates to around 2680 horsepower, making these motors true workhorses capable of driving heavy machinery in demanding industrial settings like mines, mills, and factories. Speed demons. Despite their immense power, these motors can reach rotational speeds of up to 3600 rpm, depending on design, a blur for such behemoths. Efficiency champions. Modern high-voltage squirrel cage motors boast impressive efficiency levels, exceeding 95% in some cases. This translates to significant energy savings and reduced CO2 emissions for industrial operations. Cagey rotors. Unlike synchronous motors with rotors directly connected to the power source, these motors have a cage of conducting bars within the rotor. The interaction between the stator's rotating magnetic field and the current induced in the cage bars generates the rotational force. High voltage hustle. These motors typically operate at voltages ranging from 3000 to 11,000 V, requiring special insulation and design considerations to ensure safety and reliability. Cooling champions. Generating such impressive power creates significant heat. These motors employ sophisticated cooling systems, often relying on air, water, or oil circulation, to maintain optimal operating temperatures. Beyond the factory floor, while primarily used in heavy industries, these motors can also be found in other surprising places. For example, they power large pumps for water supply and sewage treatment, drive high-speed compressors in gas pipelines, and even propel wind turbines in wind farms. Hidden giants. Due to their size and weight, these motors are often enclosed within machinery, hidden from view. Nevertheless, their powerful hum and the force they generate are a tangible reminder of the invisible workhorses powering modern industry.